Was absolutely a great campaign there in the city of Akure today with P2B, Aisha Yusuf Ahmed Datti Baba and the rest of other Labour Party presidential rally committee. They were all there and they did wonderful and amazing today at the campaign. Anyway, I'll continue to give you the highlights here. This is another one coming from there. Obi's speech there was awesome. He did not just finish and go to the stadium where he met them. He also met with the traditional rulers. That video as well is also in this highlight here. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below, enjoy the video and give us a thumbs up.
They say after they come this place, so say they go disgrace us. Then they go disgrace us. Disgrace us. But in Nigeria, none of us grace. Their father.
Their father.
Then rush. But you know, say now then they rush us. I wait with that music. Oh yeah, now then they rush me to be. Oh yeah, rush us. Ladies and gentlemen, I came here. Hey, I see the sweetest. You got the bend them. I see the bend them. Oh my God, the sweetest. Hey, I see the sweetest. I see the sweetest. You got the bend them. I see the bend them. Oh my God, the sweetest. I want to talk. You know, yesterday I saw something. Mr. Peter Obi has promised us that he will build a nation where the child of nobody can become somebody without knowing anybody. And we are holding him to his words. But guess what? Yesterday they brought out a list. They brought out the right to be in this country. The children who have been denied good quality education. The children who have been denied access.
Everybody knows my background. Everybody knows that this background. You know our name. You know our age. You know the school where we go to school. If we put that, two of us. If we put the hands of two of us. If you combine, you know everything for one. If we put our heads together and divide them by 2, we're in our 50s. Our chairman, let me tell you, 2 of us, if you put them, we're in our 50s. If you put the other people, they're 70. The other one, we don't see NPC chairman, 75 years. PDP chairman, 70 years. Labour Party chairman, 52 years. I pray that by the grace of God to become president, God will give you the wisdom and the courage to take the difficult decisions that have to be taken if our nation and economy must be saved. Amen. The choices are very clear. We have challenges in security. Go out, vote, stand there until they can't see. Stand there. When you vote, don't go until they can't see. Because these people, when you go, they'll make sure they take it. Do not do that. That's what we want to do. We want to build a new Nigeria. With you, a new Nigeria is possible. Thank you and God bless you.